Welcome to my channel, dedicated to maritime education at Kazakh British Technical University in Kazakhstan. Today, we are going to discuss the topic of navigating a ship. Navigating a ship involves the skillful art of safely steering and piloting a vessel through various water bodies, such as oceans, rivers, and lakes. The process requires extensive knowledge of nautical charts, navigational aids, and weather conditions. Navigators use a variety of tools and instruments such as compasses, sextants, radar systems, and GPS devices to determine the ship's position, course, and speed. Orders to the helmsman, who steers the ship, are given by the officer of the watch. Once the officer of the watch gives the order to the helmsman must listen carefully and acknowledge the order by repeating it back to the officer. This ensures clear communication and confirms that the instructions have been understood correctly. If the officer of the watch orders the helmsman to turn the wheel to port, it means the helmsman should steer the ship towards the left. On the other hand, if the order is to turn to starboard, the helmsman should steer the ship towards the right. It is crucial for the helmsman to execute the turn promptly and smoothly. The officer of the watch may also provide instructions to steady the ship on a new compass course. This means that the helmsman needs to maintain the ship's heading according to the given compass point or in degrees, depending on the navigation system in use. Compass points such as north, south, east, and west are commonly used to indicate the ship's heading. For instance, if the officer orders the helmsman to steady the ship on a new compass course of 120 degrees, it means the ship should be heading in the southeast direction. The art of steering a ship requires the helmsman to keep a very close watch on the compass and to turn the wheel as soon as the compass indicates that the ship is turning off course. An experienced helmsman is able to anticipate how the ship behaves. He is, therefore, able to keep the ship on a straight course, and so save time on voyage. Most ships are equipped with gyrocompasses. A gyrocompass is an electromechanical instrument. It operates on the principle of a continuously spinning gyroscope, which maintains its axis in the direction of the Earth's rotational axis. Start the gyrocompass during the ship's initial setup, ensuring it is allowed to settle before use. Also, every ship is equipped with a magnetic compass as a backup navigational tool. The magnetic compass points towards magnetic north, influenced by the Earth's magnetic field. Maintain the magnetic compass in good condition, ensuring it is free from air bubbles, lubricate if required, and keep the glass cover clean. The rudder fitted at the stern of the ship is turned by a steering engine. It is operated by the helmsman whenever he turns the wheel. If the steering engine fails, it is necessary to use an emergency steering system with which every ship must be equipped. Immediately inform the officer of the watch and other relevant personnel about the steering failure. And now, let's repeat the words from today's topic. The officer of the watch is a crucial position on a ship responsible for the safe navigation and overall operation of the vessel during a specific watch period. Helmsman, the person who steers the ship. Compass course, the direction in degrees as indicated by a ship's compass. Gyrocompass, an electromechanical instrument used for navigation. Magnetic compass, a compass that relies on the magnetism of the Earth for direction. Steering engine, device responsible for turning the ship's rudder. Emergency steering system, backup system used when the main steering engine fails. Your home assignment is to research and present information on the differences between gyrocompasses and magnetic compasses in ship navigation. You can present your ideas in slides using Canva, PowerPoint, Sway, or Prezi. Secondly, you should prepare a dialogue between the officer of the watch and helmsman and demonstrate it in the class. For making a real-life-based dialogue, use ChatGPT for writing a good scenario.